What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, we've been having a very bullish time of it recently, haven't we? Despite, all the market volatility that we have seen recently, Polygon has been doing exceptionally well. As you can see quite clearly on this chart, we had that really beautiful coiling motion we've had for months, the breakout and the back test, and then obviously since then we've had this really good uptrend, higher highs and higher lows all the way up. We did say that it would be key that Polygon basically broke out of this resistance that we did see, looking basically something like this, wasn't it? Where essentially we had this resistance that Polygon was stuck under, potentially, with forming some kind of some kind of ascending wedge like this, which obviously would have a breakdown target if we did fail to, break to the upside. But looking as though we have actually broken to the upside nicely now, making a new all-time high and essentially, quelling all the fears that Polygon might be running out of steam. We are seeing some bearish divergences on the daily time frame here, but in our opinion, now that we've reached new all-time highs, we're probably going to see some further upside for Polygon in the short term. With this basically being such a bullish token, it's getting a lot of adoption and a lot of, hype at the minute. The market cap getting pretty big as well, so it's quite well established. I mean, you can see how beautifully that it has been trading. In terms of support and resistance here, you can see quite clearly that it has just been absolutely beautiful. Like support, resistance on these Fibonacci's and swing lows and swing highs. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. It's just a beautiful chart basically, isn't it? And there's not much to say with Polygon here. You can see quite clearly, some people did get out at that break-even point. If they brought a $2.70 back in May, they finally would have been able to get out at break-even. So there were some people selling the all-time high here. We rolled over back down to around that $2.43 area, as you can see. And then since then, we've had a nice little bounce up to new all-time highs, coming up to around that 293 mark there for Polygon. Really good. Really good price for Polygon, obviously. Doing very well there, and you can see right now, looking as though we're forming a little head and shoulders here on the hourly time frame. We could be coming back down, in our opinion, back down to retest fully that previous all-time high around 266, which we haven't really back tested fully. You can see we've got a little breakout back test here, but we haven't come down and done something like this yet before continuation. So we'd say Polygon overall looking really good. There's really not much to say about it apart from the fact that it's looking very strong, isn't it? In the face of the current market conditions, they are continuing to just do very well. They are fleshing out their platform as well, and once we do start to get more DeFi, as we said, on Polygon, and more projects do go onto it because it is extremely cheap in terms of transaction fees. Obviously ETH an ongoing issue in terms of transaction costs, etc, and just the general slowness of the chain. We could be looking at more adoption for Polygon if we do get more adoption and more TVL on the actual chain itself, then we will be getting a massive amount of decent bullish momentum, in our opinion, to continue the price action to the upside. So we'd say, as we said, in short-term price prediction rise, if Polygon does have a little roll here, we do think retesting that previous all-time high would be wise at around 266, and then maybe a little further pull back down to around that 257 level, which was this previous swing high here. And so far these always do seem to get retested at some point, break down, back test, and then breaking to the upside, coming down, back testing the previous swing high. You could see it happened here and it happened back here. We make a swing high, we come down, we come back up, we come down, we retest this previous swing high. Obviously we rolled in this instance here, but we come down, we back test it eventually as support here. And as you can see, we haven't actually come down and back tested this previous 220 level really yet, have we? So I mean, if we did have a significant rollover, we could come as far as around that 220 level before getting a real nice bounce to the upside. But overall, we do think Polygon, looking really good. And that next target to the upside, obviously that 127 extension at around $4. So as we've always said, $5 to $10 for Polygon, in our opinion, seems very likely, and we are on the road to that now, almost at $3 here, so $5 to $10, only a 2 to 4x from this current price. Really, really achievable. And in our opinion, it's getting quite likely now, so I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.